Government artists typically manage workloads similar to those in the private sector, but often benefit from greater job security, comprehensive benefits packages, and opportunities for career advancement. This stability and support can enhance job satisfaction and overall well-being as they contribute their creativity to projects that serve public interest, providing a sense of purpose in their work. So, ang sinasabi ko dito is kung tatanungin nyo ano ang work ng artist sa gobyerno, almost pareho lang siya ng nasa private. Ganon din. The only difference is, compare mo sa private sector, mas maganda ang job security ng government. Kasi the only reason na matatanggal ka sa government is if you underperform so much or you did something crazy or you stole something or what. Yon, yung magiging grounds for termination mo. And pagka natanggal ka in that way, hindi ka na makakapag-apply anywhere sa government, kahit anong agency. Kasi mabablacklist ka na sa CSC. So, career advancement, yes, marami yan. At saka, ano kasi, sa government kasi, because ang career advancement yan is when, kunyari, 5 kayo sa department, yung pinaka-head nyo nag-retire, yung second na pinakamatagal, siya yung papalit sa posisyon, and then so on and so forth. Aakit kayo, and then ang ma-open is yung entry level para may pumasok na bago. Ganon usually ang process. Kung walang nagre-resign beyond your ranks and happy sila sa role. So, kaya nagkakaroon ng ng sense of fulfillment at job satisfaction is because hindi ka nag-aalala na baka bukas makalawa, wala ka ng trabaho. So, mawawalan ka lang ng trabaho sa government is kung natopol yung government talaga. Yun lang yun. Which is, ang chances nun siguro 5% ba? Roland? Di ba?
Yes, probably, oo.
Around 5%. Ganyan. So, job security, mahirap siya makapasok. Kaya, a lot of people want to get in the government is because yun yung job security ang habol nila. Pangalawa, as ang additional benefit niyan, kumbaga as in your career, is yung creativity mo madi-display na nagsaserve sa public interest. So, mas maraming matang makakakita ng trabaho mo. Yun nga lang, pagka sumablay ka din, marami ring nakakakita. Remember yung ewan ko kung naabutan nyo guys yung Dole incident.
Alin?
Yung Dole incident. Ang nangyari kasi, okay, let me tell you about it. Nagpagawa ng tarpaulin ng Dole sa kanilang staff or sa staff ng interagency. Dole, Department of Labor and Employment. Dole. So, ang ginamit nila is yung logo ng Dole na pineapple.
Oo, naalala ko yun.
Oo. Sabi ko nga, it's a major screw up. So, probably, I don't think nagtagal yung tao yun. I don't know kung ano nangyari sa kanya.